It's time for Play in the Park. Woo-hoo!
Hi everyone, this is Kirsty from Play in the Park. I've been wondering, do many of you guys have pets at home? I've got a goldfish, some dogs, what else? A yabby, a rabbit, got a few pets. Some of you might have cats or birds. There's all sorts of pets we can have and they're great fun, but a lot of work also. But our life wouldn't be the same without our pets. We've got 2 dogs and they love to play together a lot. They take a lot of work as well. You have to clean up after them and feed them and take them for walks, but they are great fun. So today I'm going to read to you a story about dogs by Emily Gravett. Let's have a look. There's lots of sorts of dogs there. Dogs. I love dogs. I do love dogs. I love big dogs and small dogs. That one is so big compared to this one. It's tiny. Can you see him there? I love stroppy dogs and soppy dogs. That one looks a bit like this one. I love dogs that bark. Ruff, 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 ruff. They're good if they're sheepdogs, if they bark a lot and round the sheep up. I don't know if dogs that bark a lot are great in town though. And I love dogs that don't. I love dogs that play. That looks a bit like my dog's playing. And dogs that won't. I love hairy dogs and bald dogs, stripy dogs and spotty dogs. I love slow dogs and fast dogs, scruffy and smart dogs. There's a poodle and it's pink. I love dogs that are good. I do love good dogs. And dogs that are bad. Sometimes when your dogs are very young, they might dig holes and they might chew your things up if you leave them out where they can get them. But usually as they get a bit older, they stop doing all those things. But the dog that I love best, let's see. Do you want to have a look? Which is your favourite dog on there? I wonder. They're all very different. Is any dog that won't chase me? Meow! They're all chasing that cat. There's a very fast dog and the pink poodle. The spotty one is called a Dalmatian. Lots of different dogs. They're all very interesting and all very different. On the back of this book, they have different dogs and they'll tell you the names. That one's a Great Dane, a Dachshund, Shar-Pei, Bichon Frise, Airedale, German Shepherd, Jack Russell, so many different sorts. Well, I hope you all enjoyed my story about dogs today. We'll see you later. Bye.